not your average hip hop. My rap style knock you out your flip flops. Let the blood side goons drip drop, and my blue rag cats and crip hop. From the 30s to the 100s, sleep when I die, so I'm gon' keep running. And right there, I can see the line clearly, and God with me, so the devil ain't near me. Chamberlain, my favorite baller. 25,000 told him you're the father. No, not me, I stay well protected. Ask about me, I'm well respected. No Verizon, but I'm still connected. Try and knock the hustle, but I'm still collecting. Thank God for this financial blessing. Money hurricanes headed my direction. They got gang police just so they can manage us. A lot of helicopters, but no news cameras. Half of us fight and the other half shoot. We all ready for war like a brand new boot. I'm sharp like a brand new suit on Jesus. When I say I do me, this is what me is. Clean as a reverend or laundry detergent. I'm paging hip hop, this page is urgent.